So we have two ways of doing the air conditioning. One is to keep the old system, and if you're careful and you disconnect the hoses, or don't disconnect the hoses, you can keep the gas in there. And the other is an electric air conditioning unit, which these guys here, these compressors, put out a lot of cold air. I don't know what the numbers are. So you see this bracket I made here to hold it. This is the other problem, is getting a bracket all made up that holds the AC. And I've got it bolted to here, and it's, of course it's got to be straight and everything else, and you got to have your pulley. The other thing is this uses, I would say, about twice as much electricity as the electric one does, but it does put out colder air for the price, and the price is free because you got it, but we got to make all the mounts and all that, so that ends up taking time and costing money. But if we buy the air conditioner, we then have to we buy the electric air conditioner, we then have to put it in also. And the same thing with the power steering. We got these power steering pumps here, electric power steering pumps. I'm looking around right now for an electric air conditioning pump, which is funny, I don't see one of those. Ah, here we go. No, that's power steering. Huh. Well, I don't have an electric power steering pump handy to show you. Anyway, so those are the two different ways of going. One is with this electric unit here, which uses up to about 8 amps at 150 volts. But spinning that air conditioning guy over with the big 9-inch motor and the belts and everything else, that uses about 12-15 amps. And it only runs when the motor is turning. So there we go. Maybe I'll get a video of this with the air conditioning on. It's a little hard to see the difference, but I'll do what I can.